With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question given is the origin of seeds in land plants was achieved about 345 million years ago. In lineages recognized as ancestral to all more advanced vascular plants our options are Rhinia, Tracheophyte ancestor, seed ferns, and conifers. So here we are talking about the origin of seeds, and this origin of seeds in land plants, they were achieved 345 million years ago. So this was a process of evolution that was happening in the land plants. And today, the more advanced vascular plants, that is, the plants which are more advanced in seed-bearing habits, the modern plants, their lineage or their ancestry, you have to tell that their ancestor lies in which plant or from which plant we can track the seed-bearing habit or the seed habits of the modern plant. Now, we know that in plant kingdom there are two kinds of plant which we collectively call as the phanerogams. So these phanerogams, they are divided into the angiosperms, which are our flowering plants, and then we have the gymnosperms, which constitute of well-known plants like Pinus, Cycas, etc. So these plants, they undergo reproduction by sexual method. So they have a sexual reproduction process, and because of that, a seed is formed. So this ancestry, if we talk about how this came into being or how this modern habit came into being, the first option, Rhinia, this is a wrong option because Rhinia is a plant which was seen in the Paleozoic era. The Paleozoic era, these were the era of the marine plants. So here seed habits were not differentiated. So this is a wrong option. In Tracheophyte ancestors, if we see, this is also an ancestral plant. Here, the xylem, phloem, that is the vascular tissues, they are well differentiated. But here, the seed, if we want to track the precursor we can't differentiate. So here, the seed is not well differentiated. So this is again a wrong option. The right option for this question is the seed ferns. Why? Because seed ferns, they are a group of plant which is known as pteridophyta. And these pteridophytes, they are not placed under the phanerogams or the flowering plants because they reproduce by spores. But here, this reproduction by spores, they are very similar to the sexual reproduction in these plants. So they have a female spore which is known as the megaspore, and then they have a male spore which is known as the microspore, and then they fuse to form a male gametophyte and the female gametophyte. So this is very similar, and from this sporic reproduction, that is reproduction which happens with the means of spores which are present in ferns, we can track this lineage, this ancestry of the seed-bearing plants. So by studying these plants, these seed ferns, we can know that how the angiosperms and gymnosperms function according to the seed, in respect to the seed. So this is the right option for this question. And the last option, conifers, this is again a wrong option because conifers are the plants which exist in extreme harsh climate where the ground is frozen, so there is a lot of ice, there is no water. So here seeds are not well developed, they have needle-shaped leaves. Okay, so thus our right option for this question, it is seed ferns from which we can track the ancestrals of the advanced vascular plants. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.